Hello and welcome back to my morning report charts appraisals on Tuesday the 3rd of March with me, Richard Pro Market Analyst at Handtech Markets. Moving on to Eurodollar now, and the euro is just consolidating really. You could argue that the bulls might be able to point towards a couple of doji candlesticks in a row, which sort of you could again say that maybe that's just reflective of a little bit of uncertainty, uncertainty within this big sell-off, but I think it's more to the fact that it's more of a consolidation really. I don't see this as the beginnings of a rally. I don't see any real signs of a rally on this euro chart, certainly not on the daily anyway. Momentum indicators very weak. Stochastics very bearish. MACD lines are on the brink of turning lower. Very close to completing that bear crossover, and also the RSI not positive either. In terms of the hourly chart, well, it just again looks like this rally that we've had over the past couple of days. It's sort of failing at that 1245 level. Is just unwinding the RSI, unwinding the oversold momentum. Let me just zoom out and show you how often that RSI within this the last few weeks has come towards 60 and fallen away. Every time it's coming towards 60, falling away. It just got slightly above it there on the 25th, but again subsequently every time it gets towards 60 it falls away, fails, and we get further downside. So I think again that is a sell signal. Anything you get back towards 60, look at these MACD lines as well, consistently going far more into negative territory than they do when they rally back into positive. Again, that is a sign of negative momentum. Stochastics have already fallen over, so I just think anything back towards that sort of 1220 up towards 1245 is probably a chance to sell if you get it. I see further downside. I see a test of that 1158, and ultimately I see a test of the key low at 1098. Sorry. So I think that's what we're going to be seeing in the coming days. Further downside pressure in due course, and I see any rally back towards this this key sort of, well, I mean 1245 I think is an area perfectly capable of acting as a sell zone, but I think obviously the key resistance is around that 1260 level, which formed the low of that breakdown. I've stuck in 1280 as well because that sort of capped a few lows, so you got 20 pips worth of key resistance there, you'd argue, as the selling pressure returns. So anything in terms of upside today, I think that should be pounced upon as a chance to sell. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today on the euro, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.